Well, winter can really do a number on your hair. Here are the treatment tips you need to keep it looking great.
So some of the biggest causes of damage to the hair are coloring, keratin treatments, styling, blow drying. All of the things that we do to make our hair feel fabulous actually can cause some damage. So we need to have products that address that to correct it so that our hair can be absolutely beautiful. So when your hair is being colored or when you're using curling irons or flat irons, you're sustaining damage to the inside and the outside of the hair. So our ingredient Fiber Rescue, which is exclusive to MONAT, actually goes into the hair and repairs it from the inside out. And we have it featured in a shampoo, a conditioner, a treatment mask, as well as a dual action serum. As the winter comes, our hair and our skin feels dry. So some winter hair care tips are you always want to deep condition. So we recommend deep conditioning once a week or every third shampoo if you shampoo your hair infrequently. And that's going to give your hair the hydration that it needs during the winter when it can feel dry, as well as doing leave-in treatments. So we have some oils as well as leave-in conditioners that combat dryness really well. All of those products are going to address that dryness to bring back shine and body and bounce to the hair. Our products are vegan, we're cruelty-free, and we're Leaping Bunny approved, so we have no animal testing on any part of our manufacturing process, which we're super proud of. So basically, we're high-quality botanical ingredients and innovative technology for the hair care industry.